My husband just finished putting together this exercise bike. It only took him about 20 minutes. The directions were super easy and detailed. The one thing you do have to note is there was an extra little instruction sheet for the pedals. So you just need to make sure that you follow that. And as long as you follow the directions, it's going to be super easy. The handlebars and the seat are adjustable. This can hold up to 300 pounds. You have your little screen up here, which you have, your time, your speed, your distance, your calories. You also have the little sensors right here on the side. And as you're going, this is going to be your pulse, which is nice. Not all bikes have that actually, which is really great. You also have this really cool thing here. So let's say, you're pedaling, maybe you're going too fast, something's happening. You can just hit this and then all of a sudden it's going to stop. You can't actually pedal anymore. So it's kind of like a little emergency stop. And here, let's get off here. You also have, of course, your little holder here for your bottle. One of the coolest things that I've never seen before, on the side, you actually have this little piece here where you can, move these. And if your floor happens to be uneven, because mine is a little bit, you can actually move those and then it's going to level out your bike. Because obviously if your floor for whatever reason is not leveled, while you're on it, it's going to kind of be rocking and that is not going to be great. There are also little wheels in the front so that if you wanted to move this, you can just pick this up and then you can easily wheel it, which is super nice. There's also the phone holder up here in the front. So of course, if you want to be watching your show, you can do that. And the pedals have like little adjustment straps. You can go ahead and put your shoe inside here and then you can tighten this obviously to your comfort. So yeah, if you're looking for an exercise bike, I think this one's really great.